In today's video, I will show you how to create a pixel shader you can apply to materials so they get pixelated. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well and having a great day. I already imported the model and set the sky color to a light blue color so you don't have to watch me doing this. You can use any model you like, I use this one. This time we will create the shader together instead of just copying the code. So let's get started. First, let's create a new shader program and name it Pixel Shader. Then we will edit the fragment shader. We will create a pixel size uniform so we can adjust the pixel size later in the material inspector. The pixelate UV function snaps UV coordinates to a grid of fixed size blocks, creating a pixelated effect by making each pixel block sample the same texture color. Here we are going to store the texture size of inalbedo, which is provided by Cave, into text size. Then we call our pixelate UV function. Now, instead of smooth UVs, we now have stepped UVs that create a pixelation effect. Finally, the last thing we have to do is to use our pixelated UV when sampling the texture. Okay, let's recompile the shader. Now we have to apply the shader to all the materials that we want to be pixelated. In my case, the model has 5 materials, so I will apply the shader to all of them. As you can see, the texture now is pixelated. One final tip for a more retro look. The model often looks better without a shadow, as older games typically didn't have them. To get this effect, we can check the shadeless option in the material settings to disable shadows for this material. Do this for all materials of the model. And there you have it, a pixel shader for materials in just a few lines of code. In the next part, we'll take it a step further by creating a post-processing filter that pixelates the entire screen for an even more authentic retro look. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Feels so good.